What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about Bitcoin today. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, you guys. Let's get into it. Okay, here we are at about 97.6K right now. That's not what I meant to draw. There you go. Looking at the weekly time frame, weekly RSI. It looks rather disgusting right now, I gotta admit. Getting overbought like this, getting out of the overbought zone and rejecting it here, it's not a good look. What is decent is that we're still above the 60. As long as we're above the 60, I think that's fine. Even if you get a little bit below it, it's fine, as long as you get right back above it. You just don't want to plummet, because that could put you in jeopardy, right? The last time that we saw something like that from these similar areas, it caused a 11% move to the downside, and it doesn't look like it caused that much, right, of a downward move, because we really did move down from there. But what it did do was it promoted a stagnant price action for Bitcoin over months of time. And sometimes that boring price action is even worse than the exciting downwards moves and then upward moves, volatility, right? Stuff like that. Sideways action can be very, very disheartening for investors and traders. Though, to be fair, trading ranges are kind of the best, but that's a whole nother conversation, man. Here we are, 97.6K. Looking like we got a little bit of a double top. I don't think it's going to happen. I don't think it's valid. If we look at this was something that I was looking at yesterday on Coin Market Cap. Yeah, Coin Market Cap here. Fear and Greed Index. We're at a 38. Okay, we're at a 38 now. Bitcoin's price is at a higher price than it was whenever we were at higher readings in the Fear and Greed Index here. Actually, if we have to go back. Let me see. Hold on. 30 days. Don't they have a 7? They had a 7-day one. Maybe not. Maybe it's just 30 days. My bad. Yeah, we've got lower readings in fear here, but we have higher readings in price here as well. So in other words, we're finding higher lows and getting more fearful, which oftentimes that is fuel to the fire that brings us higher. So I think that we will go higher. Looking at the daily RSI, this looks like a nice area to bounce from. As long as today can close green, we would need today to close green, because then it would look like we're bouncing off the 40, maybe even a double bottom here. But if today closes red, that's when we start to slip below the 40, and that's where we could get into some trouble. It doesn't mean that we're going to go below these lows, but that discussion comes back on the table. Right now, I'd say it's safe to assume we don't go below this low. But if today closes red, not like a neutral red, but like pretty significant, maybe like 3% or more to the downside for Bitcoin. Let's see. We want to hold 95.4K. Let's say 94.5K. We want to hold 94.5K. 92.4K is our like kind of last resort. And then if that falls, if that breaks, we're going to see the 80Ks, you guys. And that would likely happen. If that were to happen, that would probably happen over the next couple of weeks, I would think, like as early as next week if we were to move down. But I don't think we do. I think we do move higher. Get today to close green and then close back above. We just got to close back above 100K. I know I made a video the other day saying that 100K wasn't really a significant level, and it really isn't. Let me just prove my point here, right? 100K is significant psychologically, but it's not significant in the charts, because that's 100K right there, and we didn't really find respect on this at all. I mean, yes, we tipped it for resistance here once, but disrespected there, disrespected there, disrespected here. You know, we disrespect the hell out of it. So, but even though we've disrespected the hell out of it, say for this time or this time here, I think that we are about to find significance, or in the sense of it being significant, if we break above it, would suggest that not only are we at our lows, but we're moving higher to see higher prices, new all-time highs, and begin our upward movement for crypto and for Bitcoin as a whole this month of February. So we're looking for a move, all that to say, above 100K. We're not looking for a move below 92K. And also, beyond all that, I personally don't think that we'll get below 94.5K. But if we do, 92K could still hold. Breaking 92K is what would lead us to prices that are lower than things that we've seen since November. I don't know if I've got anything else that I want to say on that note. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame real quick. 4-hour RSI does look like it's a bit in jeopardy as well, kind of downward sloping. What is that? I think you do go lower from here. 1 hour time frame. I think you do. hope I'm wrong. I hope this is one of those times where I'm wrong. Let's see. And I could be wrong. I'll tell you what to look for if I'm wrong. First off, close above 100K. That would prove me wrong. Yeah, 100K would be what proves me wrong. If we close, and when I say lower, I think we go lower from here. I don't mean that I think we go below 92K. I just mean we're at 97.7K now. I think we could go lower than this price. Maybe we go down to 95K, 94K, somewhere in that zone, right? That's kind of what I would expect. Yeah. Prove me wrong, get above 100K, and then we're just moving up from there. I got nothing else for you guys. If you like the video, hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Thank you all for being here. I will see you on the next one. Take care, my friends. Bye-bye.